In the heart of the 19th century, a brilliant French scholar named Jean-François Champollion stood before an enigma that had puzzled the world for centuries: the Egyptian hieroglyphs. The cryptic symbols, etched on the ancient stone monuments of Egypt, had long remained a mystery, their meaning obscured by time and the sands of Egypt. Scholars had attempted to decipher them, but to no avail. Champollion, however, was not deterred. He was driven by an insatiable curiosity and a relentless determination to unravel this ancient puzzle. He believed that the key to understanding the hieroglyphs lay in the Rosetta Stone, a slab of granodiorite inscribed with texts in three scripts: Greek, Egyptian hieroglyphs, and Demotic script. On a cold winter's day in 1822, Champollion made a breakthrough. He found a common word in the Greek and the Demotic scripts, and by comparing it with the hieroglyphic script, he was able to decipher the name of the ancient Egyptian god, Ptah. This discovery was a turning point. Champollion continued to work tirelessly, using the same method to decipher more and more hieroglyphs. He was able to translate the entire Rosetta Stone, and with it, opened the door to a wealth of knowledge about ancient Egypt. Champollion's work was groundbreaking. He had succeeded where others had failed, and in doing so, he lifted the veil of mystery that had shrouded the hieroglyphs for centuries. His work forever changed our understanding of ancient Egypt, and he was hailed as a hero of scholarship. Yet, Champollion's story is not just one of academic triumph. It is a testament to the power of human curiosity and determination. It is a reminder that with persistence and intelligence, even the most challenging puzzles can be solved. And so, the hieroglyphs, once a mystery, are now a window into the past. They tell tales of kings and pharaohs, of gods and goddesses, of a civilization that once thrived along the banks of the Nile. Thanks to Champollion and his unyielding spirit, we can still hear their stories today.